Want to boost your car's engine performance instantly? Here's the easiest upgrade every driver should know. Meet the ECOGARD XA10426 Premium Engine Air Filter. Perfect for Hyundai Sonata, Tucson, Kia Optima, and Sportage. Imagine smoother drives and faster acceleration every day. All it takes is a quick, tool-free filter change. Why does this matter? Let's break it down. Your engine needs clean air for maximum power. A dirty air filter chokes performance and increases wear. ECOGARD's advanced filtration blocks harmful particles. That means better protection for your engine's lifespan. Replace your filter every 12,000 miles or 12 months. It's a small job with a huge impact on your car's health. No special tools needed. Just pop the old one out, slide in the ECOGARD XA10426, and you're done. Factory fit design ensures perfect compatibility. Fits 2015-2019 Hyundai Sonata, 2016-2021 Tucson, and more. Also works for 2017 to 2022 Kia Sportage and 2016-2020 Optima. Replaces ACDelco, FRAM, Purolator, WX, and Hyundai filters. No confusion, just a direct, reliable replacement. Let's talk real results. Clean air means more efficient combustion. You'll notice quicker throttle response. Enjoy improved fuel efficiency on every drive. Prevent costly engine damage from dirt and debris. Protect your investment with a simple 5-minute fix. DIY enthusiasts love the fast, hassle-free install. Maintenance-conscious drivers appreciate the peace of mind. No need for a mechanic. Save money and time. Upgrade your car's breathing with ECOGARD's premium filter. Feel the difference in power and smoothness. Engine runs cooler and lasts longer. Perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. Don't let a clogged filter hold your car back. Make maintenance easy and effective. Trust ECOGARD for quality and reliability. Thousands of drivers have made the switch. Ready to upgrade your engine's performance? Order your ECOGARD XA10426 today. Experience the difference every mile. Protect, perform, and drive with confidence. Change your filter, change your drive.